Present perfect passive is used when an action was happened, but the subject is not defined. In fact, it is unknown. Positive form is object plus have or has plus been plus verb. The past participle form. The fruits have been stolen. The flowers have been plucked. She has been attacked. The guys have been rejected. He has been kidnapped. I have been hit. Negative form is object plus have or has plus not plus been plus verb. I have not been invited. We have not been engaged. The car has not been damaged. They have not been traveling. She has not been cured. You have not been authorized. Question form is have or has plus object plus been plus verb and a question mark. Has the project been finished? Have the values been changed? Have I been transferred? Have they been refused? Have you been fired? Has he been hired? Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for daily lessons and contents. Also, you can click the link up here. Note that no matter the lack of a subject, in this tense you can use either transitive or intransitive form of the verb. Guys, that concludes today's lesson. Remember to take notes. Tell me what you need for the next lesson in the comments section down below. Be sure to subscribe for daily contents. You can also watch my prior contents from here. I'm Steve and I'll be back with another video tomorrow. See you.